You've worked hard to ensure that your customer had an exceptional purchase experience. You've covered all of the items on the delivery checklist and gone out of your way to make sure that your customer is 100% satisfied and excited to drive home in their new vehicle. You talked about the factory survey that will be arriving soon in your customer's email box, and they understand how important it is, and that it is your personal report card of the service that you provided. You also answered all your customers' questions, and they know that they can call you at any time should another question come to mind. Now, there's no reason why your happy customer wouldn't want to share the news of their new vehicle with their friends and family. It's at this exciting time that you should ask your customer for permission to share their experience on social media. You'll want to take a picture or short video of your customer with their new vehicle in front of the dealership and send it to them so that they can post the picture and tag you and your dealership.